Now theorem 7 is De Morgan's law. Now we are having two De Morgan's law here, this one and this one. Now if you see clearly, both are dual of each other. Okay, if we are in place of this plus, if we are putting dot, then we are getting this thing, and in place of this dot, if we are putting plus, then we are getting this thing. So second is the dual of first, or first is the dual of the second. Okay, so let's go with the first one now. To prove inverse of A plus B is equal to A inverse dot B inverse. Now how we are proving this one? No. Let's prove. Now what we can take it, A plus B dot A inverse dot B inverse is equal to A inverse dot B inverse dot A plus B. This is what? Commutative law. First thing, we have just supposed this one. Okay. Now this becomes what? To this we can write it A inverse dot B inverse dot A plus A inverse dot B inverse dot B. Distributive law. Okay. Now this what we can write it? To this we can write it now, it is B inverse dot A inverse dot A plus A inverse dot B inverse dot B. Sorry, this is commutative law. Okay. Now we can write it B inverse dot A inverse dot A plus A inverse B inverse dot B. Now this is the associative law. Now this becomes B inverse dot 0 plus A inverse dot 0. Inverse law, or this is equal to 0 plus 0. The identity element for plus 0 plus 0, the identity element for plus. Now similarly, now again now what we can write it? A plus B plus A inverse dot B inverse. Now this can be written as, now A plus B, in place of dot I have taken positive sign, plus sign here now, symbol plus and dot. Okay. So A plus B plus A inverse dot B inverse. Now this can be written as A plus B plus A inverse dot A plus B plus B inverse. Distributive law. Now to this what we can write it? B plus A inverse dot A plus B inverse. Again now this becomes B plus 1 dot A plus 1 by theorem 2. We have already done theorem 2. A plus A inverse and B plus B inverse. Now, sorry, A plus commutative law, now this not, sorry, I am sorry. Now A by the inverse this is, okay, I am sorry. A plus A inverse is equal to 1, similarly B plus B inverse is equal to 1. Now this becomes what? 1 dot 1. Now this is by theorem 2. Now what this shows? This shows the identity element for dot. Now we are having two things, okay. So what we are having? We are having this result 1 and then we are having this result. Okay, these are the two results we got it. Now these results shows that A inverse dot B inverse is the Boolean inverse of A plus B.